A huge earthquake will happen in Vancouver in these 50 years. Do you know that?
I didn't know that. So we should prepare something for disaster, right?
That's right. We prepare a lot of emergency food, and I brought one of them from Japan.
Oh, what's that?
I'll tell you that. We can cook this special rice without any kitchenware. So this is the perfect emergency food wherever you are. In this bag is dried rice which was once cooked. So now only water is needed to cook it again. It will be reborn into freshly cooked rice.
Alright, let me introduce how to cook it. First, of course, open it. And pour some water up to this red line. And completely close it. Like this. And shake it. About 20 times. And wait. If you use hot water, it takes 15 minutes. Regular water, 16 minutes. That's it.
It's tastier than I expected.
Yeah, it's too delicious for emergency food.
That's right. Oh, I've just come up with a great idea. Very handy to bring to hiking and camping. You usually bring sandwiches, right? How about bring this one instead? It's lighter and more filling than sandwiches. And moreover, it's very easy to cook. The shelf life is 5 years. I'm sure it helps many people in natural disasters.